And good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. John Hart is working on Game Night Live. It should be a good one tomorrow. Coverage you can count on begins tonight with developing news in our nation's capital. President Biden announcing new coronavirus vaccine mandates today that will affect millions of Americans. The president calling this a pandemic of the unvaccinated. Take a look at some local reaction.
It's over. It's over. You're having a fit there.
Looking at this from a strictly science and medicine standpoint, my concern is we may have patients who, because of this measure, may actually choose not to get vaccinated.
The Biden administration rolling out a new 6-part plan to fight COVID-19 Thursday. The head of state is criticizing the nearly 80 million Americans who are not vaccinated.
We've got 123 patients in our facility right now. 54 are in the ICU. 47 of those are on the ventilator. None of the patients in the intensive care unit or on the ventilator are actually vaccinated. They're all unvaccinated.
Biden's plan directs the Labor Department to enforce a rule that businesses with more than 100 workers must require employees to be vaccinated or undergo weekly testing. AU Health's Chief Medical Officer Dr. Philip Kuhl reports vaccination rates have picked up at his hospital, but worries about the effects of the new mandates.
Unfortunately, the politicalization of COVID-19 and vaccination and the pandemic is, I'm not sure, really working in our favor. In fact, I'm quite certain it's working against us and making the situation worse. It's my belief that some of vaccine hesitancy is actually based in mistrust of the government. And unfortunately, with things like this, it serves to potentially make the situation worse in terms of people becoming more hesitant about the vaccine.
Dr. Kuhl says the data is very clear. Coronavirus vaccines are beneficial. He and his team also hope people will get vaccinated because Kuhl says it's the right thing to do.
The rest of this is all in the political realm of what's the right public health policy. And again, I'm not sure what the answer is there. This is certainly a remarkable development, and it'll be interesting to see how it plays out.
President Biden also signed an executive order requiring all federal workers and contractors to get vaccinated. For more on the new COVID-19 measures, head to our website, WJBF.com. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp is taking a stand against Biden's plans. He tweeted, "I will pursue every legal option available to the state of Georgia to stop this blatantly unlawful overreach by the Biden administration." South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster also taking to Twitter, saying the American dream has turned into a nightmare under President Biden and the radical Democrats. Rest assured, we will fight them to protect the liberty and livelihood of every South Carolinian.